Somebody said, hey Bruce, I got an internship with a company doing risk management framework. Which one of your courses should I buy? They are doing 853 and 171. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. I get a lot of questions about my course. Here's right here, a little bit of an update here. The updates keep coming, guys, so just keep coming back to the site so you keep seeing new stuff. If you're really new to NIST 800, if you're really new to it, I would start off with Risk Management Framework Foundations, ISSO Foundations. So if you're doing 853 and 171 type work, you're doing ISSO, Information System Security Officer type work. I'm guessing based on the data you've given me. So NIST 853 are the controls, the security controls, of which there's hundreds of them. Those controls apply to different information systems. Like the information system, I mean like a server, you might have a server that manages some kind of a database that tracks, I don't know, U.S. military who are stationed in Georgia or something. It's a computer that serves a function, a business or mission function, right? It can also just be a laptop. It could be your phone. All those are information systems. But each one of those information systems, especially if they're managed by a government organization, have to have security controls on them. And NIST 53 breaks down all those security controls. So in this one right here, documents, it's going through the types of documents what an information system security officer is creating to fulfill the controls. And I've got a bunch of controls here, AC, AU, AT, CM controls, and I add more to it as we go. But once you get the first four, once you go through four of these, you got it. There might be some questions that you have, but after you go through some of them, you'll be like, okay, I got this. But it's got downloadable templates. It's got interpretations of the controls families. There's about 20 control families. So each one of those families, like say CM control, might have 10 different controls that are underneath it, so there you go right there. So all of this, it's a lot, right? It's a lot. CM 1 through, right? And so I interpret it. I talk about here's how you interpret it. Here's what kind of documents. Here's the kinds of things. So I would probably say if you're new to it, you're going to do the first one. If you need, if you're not necessarily new, you got this, but you want to know about how to interpret the NIST controls, then I would say this one and have downloadable documents, stuff like that. Hope that answers your question. Let me see. Somebody said, and congratulations, Navi, by the way, on the internship.